kasi nauulit-ulit na nasasabi ang word na insertion. Just for the public consumption, napapasok po siya para siyang errata inside legislative houses. Ang ibig po sabihin ng insertion ay may ipinasok, but it actually comes in the form of an errata or an amendment. Just for order, Mr. Chair, and to avoid confusion, ang insertion ay pwedeng or errata or amendment, ibig sabihin may nakita kang project, hindi kailangan, redundant, or possibly ghost, ay itutumbok mo at ililipat mo dun sa kailangang proyekto. Just to make that clear. And when we say Congress insertion, that covers the House and the Senate. When we say galing lang dito sa House of Representatives, we call it a House insertion. And kung naman sa Senado, it's a Senate insertion. But basically, the real term this is errata o amendment. May binago ka dahil may nakita kang hindi kailangan at inililipat dun sa mas kailangan. So it's part of the check and balance. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair.
Mr.